Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do lesson 3 of equation. Now, this is a two-part video of two-step equations because it's not really a simple topic. So I'd rather split it into two instead of making one long video. Okay. If you haven't seen the lesson 2, make sure you go watch lesson 2 before you do lesson 3. Okay. Now, let's dive straight in. Now, if you remember, we did in lesson 2, when we do reverse operation or we solve equations, we kind of do opposite of BODMAS. So we do addition, subtraction first before multiplication or division, or indices or brackets. Okay, so let's have a look at here. Now, we got for A, we got m divided by 6, m divided by 5, and also you got plus 4. So you got division there and also addition. So obviously we do we get rid of the addition first, move addition to the other side. So opposite of plus is minus, so m over 5 equals to 7, so minus 4, yeah. M over 5 equals to 3. Now, again, you can guess this number easily, or we can do the reverse operation. Okay, so m divided by 5, opposite of divided by 5 is times 5. So you got, move this to that side, yeah. 3, opposite of divide is times. Okay, so m, oopsie, we got it wrong, that's 5. M equals 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. Again, next one, move -2 first because we do addition, subtraction first before multiplication and division. Okay, so we got a over 3 equals to 5. Now, opposite of plus, opposite of minus is plus, so plus 2. A is 3 over 3. A over 3 equals to 7. Now, sometimes you can just guess what that number is. So a divided by 3 is 7. So what is a? A is 21, isn't it? You can guess when you can guess the number accurately, you can guess the number. Otherwise, you do reverse operation. Okay. Now next, again, this e over 4 equals to 8. Opposite plus is minus. So e over 4 equals to 3. Is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Yeah. Cool. I have a few more for you to do. Give it a go, and I think it should be okay for you if you understand those 3 questions. Okay. Once you're done, here's the solution I got. Hopefully they're all correct. Okay. Now, let's do something slightly harder. If you remember last time I said, if we have the whole lot on top or on the bottom of a fraction, there is a invisible bracket. Okay, so when we have division and bracket at the same times, which one we do first? Because we're doing solving equation, we do reverse operations. So we do division first before the bracket. Okay, so if we move the divide by 3 to the outside, you should have, we keep the top because we didn't touch anything on top. Okay, so 4, we didn't touch 4 either. So opposite divide by 3 is times 3. Okay, so a plus 2 equals 3 times 4 is 12. What plus 2 is 12? A is 10, yeah? Okay, or if you can't guess, oopsie, if you're not sure how to guess, you can do reverse operation. We got plus 2, move to the outside. So what's opposite of plus 2? Minus 2, okay? Good, it's the same answer, yep. Now, similar to the first one, invisible bracket, we get rid of the divide first. So m minus 3 equals to 3, opposite divide is times. M minus 3 equals to 3 times 3 is 9. M is 12, yeah. Okay, so t minus 5 is 7. Opposite divide by 4 is times 4, okay. T minus 5 equals to 28. Yeah. T is, well, I can't really guess that number. So what I'm going to do is reverse operation. Okay. move to the outside. So opposite of minus is plus, 28 plus 5. T is 33, yeah? Okay, this one, k plus 3 equals to 30. K is 27, yeah? Cool, I give you a few more to do. That should be okay. Now, some of those could be a little bit difficult, so I'm just going to do L first, okay? So L, you got S plus 42 over negative 5 equals to negative 4. Okay, now, obviously in invisible bracket, we do opposite of divide by negative 4 first. We do the opposite of divide by negative 5 first, okay? What's the opposite of divide by negative 4? Times negative, no, sorry. What's the opposite of divide by negative 5? Times negative 5, okay? Okay, you can always check with calculator if you're not confident on the operation. So that should be 20. Okay, negative times negative is positive. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20. So S is, oh, I can't guess. So looks like I need to do reverse operation. Now, this one on the other side, okay. Opposite plus is minus. So minus 42. S is negative 22. Okay, a little bit hard, but yeah. Take your time and pause this video and give it a go first, and I have a solution for you right here. Okay, now let's do one more. Or you can pause this video or you can look at a note. Okay, now let's do one more. This one is, I reckon this is easier than this. Okay, now again, we got a invisible bracket, yeah? So we do whatever's on the bottom first. 2a equals to 4. Opposite divided by 3 is times 3. Okay, so you got 2a equals to 3 times 4 is 12. You can guess that number 2 times 6 is 12, so a is 6, yeah? Similar, 3a equals to 12. 3 times 4 is 12, so a is 4, okay? Yeah. Alright, you guys can do this one. It's basically the same question, I just expand a little bit more, okay? So once you're done, oh, there's one really interesting one here. Here. Those ones, okay? Let's do J together. So we got 3a negative 5 equals to 15, okay? Now, the negative, you can put on top or the bottom, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to put it on bottom. Just to make it easier, okay? I wanted to get rid of it on at the beginning, okay? Negative 5 equals to 15. Now we can move this to the outside. 3a equals to 15. Okay, now opposite divided by negative 5 is times negative 5. Okay, I'm going to move it up here. So 3a equals to negative 45. Type in calculator if you're not sure, okay? Wait, no, negative 75, see? Probably I should time calculate instead. Now, you can guess probably not really good idea here, or we can just do reverse operation. So 3a is 3 times a, or a times 3, so the opposite is divide by 3, okay? So a is negative 25. Yep. So take your time, do it on your own pace. Once you're done, here's the solution, okay? I'm going to give you 2 questions for homework. So this one is a combination of all we have learned from lesson 2 and lesson 3, okay? And another one here is basically a mix as well. You even have one-step equations. So give it a go for those 2 questions. Yep, so do those for homeworks. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.